Right, let's solve this question on the board. A stone, a stone being skimmed across the surface of a lake makes an angle of 15 degrees with the horizontal as it leaves the surface of the water and remains in the air for 0.6 seconds before it next bounds. Now we are asked to calculate the speed of the stone when it leaves the surface of the lake. So which means the time the stone remains in the air is, which is 0.6 seconds, is the time of flight. And then the angle which it makes with the horizontal, that's the angle of projection. So which means we're going to use the formula connecting the time of flight with the speed. Okay, so which means, of course, we know that to calculate the time of flight, okay, when an object is projected at a given angle to the horizontal. So the time of flight. So we're using let's use using t equals to 2u sine theta over what? G. Okay, where u is the what? The speed of the stone. Okay, then we have angle of projection. Angle of projection. So the angle of projection is 15 degrees. All right, so the time of flight, that will be 0.6 seconds. Okay, so we want to obtain the value of u. Now, g, which is acceleration due to gravity. You know, gravitational attraction produces a force which causes what we call acceleration of free fall or acceleration due to gravity. Okay, of approximately 9.81 meters per second square. So 9.81 meters per second square. So let's get the value of u. So let's rearrange this formula for letter u. So when we make u the subject of the formula, so this will be gt over 2 sine theta. So that is when we rearrange this formula so as to express u in terms of t and g. So now, then we can now plug in the values. So we have 9.81, which is the value of g, multiplied by 0.6, which is the time of flight, over 2 sine 15 degrees. Okay, so let's get the value for what is 9.81 multiplied by 0.6. That will be u equals to 5.886 divided by, then let's get the value of 2 sine 15. That will be 0.5176. So 5.886 divided by 0.5176. That will be, the value of u will be 11.37 meters per second. So that u will be approximately 11.4 meters per second. So the speed of the stone when it leaves the surface of the lake is 11.4 meters per second. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye bye.